Hey guys, welcome back to another Bitcoin daily update. It is the 10th of August, at least here in Australia. We've got about 4 minutes until the daily candle close. So, last update we were discussing trend lines. We have, at least on this daily chart, you can see we've picked out all of the highs of the more macro pivots, and you've got some lows in here too. Now if we zoom in here, we're just tracking the progress of this. Now obviously this is in this direction. We are heading slightly down, which is kind of in essence how a bull flag is structured. You have an uptrend, you have a consolidation in a channel down, and then you break out through the top if it goes textbook. So let's zoom in a little. We've sort of established all of this setup in the previous updates. If you're not up to speed with that, feel free to go find them on my channel, Crypto Down Under. And let's jump down a few. Let's go down to the hourly chart. So we had ourselves a rising wedge. We did pop out the top yesterday, around this time yesterday, and subsequently we spent the rest of that time retracing. Now right now we're dealing with support being found at $60,000, so we've managed to stay up on top of things for now. And I feel like to keep this ball rolling, we need to get above a local high of this level right here, which is, I will give you a price, an exact price, 62,750. Let's call it that, 62,750, so just under 63K. Now, looking left, you can see the most prime resistance that we have to contend with is the 70K level, and obviously our current all-time high, which is basically 73,750. So we'll call that 73.75K. So basically 74K. Let's just round it up. Why not? So 70 and 74K are the big prime resistances that we have to get above. So just looking at the chart, you're not really going to get too much perspective from the hourly on what's bound to happen, bigger picture. Like you really need to zoom out to get that kind of context. So just to reiterate and recap from previous updates, we are still in that downtrend. We're still in this flag type situation on the daily, and basically to break that curse, to break that situation, we need to get above 70,000. That's where we're at. We need to get above 70 if we're to remain bullish. And that's still looking pretty good. We're still in the area. We're still in the range that we've been dealing with for the past however many months it's been. How many months has it been? Let's measure that. So this is where we cracked into the range. And it's been 164 days we've been dealing with this range. So until then, that's pretty much what what I'll be touching on is just the direction of, or what sort of market structure we're dealing with locally. Right now, I'm thinking that we need a bit more information. We need a few more candles, a bit more data to see if this is going to cause some kind of resistance trend line coming across. We've certainly got a trend line from below here, like a bit more of a local one. Maybe getting in touch with these lows But yeah, that's getting a little bit more micro, not so macro. So anyway, I think that should pretty much wrap up most of what I wanted to discuss this video. Shout out to Trego, by the way. He's created a track for me to play in the background of my streams and my videos, as has Jeru. I'll be doing a stream today, in a little bit, probably straight after recording this video actually, and I'll play some of those tracks too. So shout out to Trego and Jeru. Thank you for the music, guys. So that about covers it, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Once we get a bit more information about direction, we'll have more to talk about. But yeah, much like the last video, we sort of know where we stand. We're still in this flag, and we'll certainly know about it when we leave the flag, whether that be the downside or the upside. Until then, have a good weekend. I'll probably still do updates over the weekend, but yeah, looking forward to next week's price action. Alright, have a good one.